We're all getting cold in the morning. All bikers should get a day off, all of us. I declare that all bikers should have a day off. It should be an official holiday for bikers only, so that we can go to the cafes, drink tea and eat cake all day long. I am the Metal Dog King, and I declare it a law for everybody to partake who owns a motorcycle. A day off to drink tea and eat cake. That'd be good, wouldn't it, eh? If that was an official day, can you imagine that? This is the tea and drinking and eating cake day today. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Because I am. Eat and drink tea and be merry.